At La Passerelle, essentially what we do is we help you find work. But there's so much more that we do. Like at La Passerelle, we like to think that it's more than a job search program, it's a journey that you're going on. Like you're going to take a journey of self-discovery, find out who you are, find out what you can do. If there's a transition involved, where do I want to go? What do I want to be? All these things are questions. So it's not just about finding work. It's about discovering who you are, finding out what you want to do, and then helping you get there.
La passerelle est un endroit vivant. L'âme de la passerelle, c'est ce besoin qu'on a d'aider les gens. La plupart d'entre nous ont déjà été participants à la passerelle. On sait exactement par quoi vous êtes en train de passer. Alors, on y met vraiment notre cœur là-dedans. Puis pas seulement ça, on s'occupe des choses techniques, comment monter un CV. On va s'occuper des choses de comment écrire une lettre de présentation, comment créer votre profil LinkedIn, oui, bien sûr. Mais on s'occupe de vous, de la personne, de votre estime de soi, de votre confiance en soi pour que vous arriviez dans les entrevues, dans les jobs que vous voulez et que vous puissiez réussir.
This is where I walk. Okay, so I'm going to walk. So our roots could be brought back to the basement in that church where at a time when a lot of organizations, companies were leaving Quebec, people found themselves without work, without a lot of prospects. They formed a self-help group here in the basement of the church, and the objective was to help each other find work in a situation where it didn't seem like there were a lot of opportunities. And over the years, we've evolved from that group to La Passerelle, which we are now, over there on the 9th floor. And again, a lot of things have changed, but a lot of things have remained consistent. It's still all about the person. It's still all about reclaiming your dignity and your self-confidence and finding meaningful work. Not just a job, it's about finding meaningful work. Something you were meant to do, something you actually enjoy doing. Come, let me show you where the magic happens. Okay, so it's quiet now, but wait till it's full of people. So at one of our workshops, this is full of people, lots of good energy. This is where you want to be. Love this place.
Quand on est dans une transition qui peut être difficile, on a tendance à s'isoler et nous, on fait le contraire. On vous amène, on vous met en groupe. On fait des sessions, que ce soit sur Zoom ou en présence. On vous met en groupe, non seulement le coaching individuel, et ça aide beaucoup. Un des aspects importants, c'est le fait de créer des connexions, et des connexions solides. On sait ce que l'autre vit, on comprend beaucoup plus ce que l'autre est en train de vivre, alors l'autre nous comprend aussi. Et l'entraide qui se trouve à la passerelle est incroyable. En fait, notre programme inclut 12 semaines d'ateliers de groupe. Sont essentiels à passer l'information qu'on a sur le marché du travail. Le programme inclut aussi 1 heure de coaching individuel qui aide la personne à vraiment cerner ses attentes. Alors, votre coach, il se concentre seulement sur vous, vos besoins et votre destination.
Travailler en tant que coach à la passerelle, c'est vraiment un emploi formidable. Chaque parcours est vraiment différent. Mais ce qui est certain, c'est que de voir les gens progresser, sortir de leur coquille, avancer, quoi de mieux pour un coach que de voir quelqu'un vraiment illuminé et avancer pour trouver son job parfait.
Le coach est là pour leur refléter leur force. C'est vraiment, on se concentre sur leur force, on se concentre sur ce qui est bien et ce qui fonctionne dans leur vie. Le coach est vraiment là pour les soutenir.
As a participant in La Passerelle, I was surrounded by people that I felt reflected in, that I felt got me, I felt seen for the first time in a while, and I hadn't even realized that this was something I was missing. And just that effect was a game changer for me, that my energy changed and I started getting a lot more opportunities. The coaching was phenomenal. My CV was totally revolutionized, but I really think it was that internal energy that changed that really made the biggest difference.
So somebody asked a while ago, like, so why La Passerelle? Why should I join La Passerelle as opposed to another organization? What distinguishes you? And I just said, like, it's the most fun you'll ever have unemployed. And it was just kind of, I was joking at the time, but then we were thinking about it is that, yeah, we do try to have fun here. I mean, it's not an easy time in your life, so why make it harder? So, if we can enjoy it, so for 2 hours you come to a workshop, you can joke around a bit, we take it seriously, like we're good at what we do, but we joke around a bit, have a little bit of fun, it's light. You forget about all the things that you have to worry about. So for 2 hours you're focused on how I can get out of this, or how I can get better. I hope you come check us out. I hope we could have some fun together, and I hope that La Passerelle could become part of your journey.